We're inside the elevator at the Microtel Inn and Suites, Zephyrhills. It's a pretty nice elevator. Here are the buttons, and there's the phone. 2,500-pound capacity. And it's a Schindler. Let's take up to 3 and listen to the motor. Almost quite a bit. We're going to go down to 2 because this opens up right into the front desk on the lobby. That's pretty well. And here we are. There's your airlock. And there it goes. That's what a guest room looks like. And that'll be it. Before I end it, looks like this call station is upside down. And the buttons are wired backwards. There it goes, Sam. So, that is weird. I'll tell you what, we'll end inside the elevator on 1. Like I said before, the front desk is right outside. So that'll be it for real this time.